If you are using AI and not getting the benefits and the expected results, maybe you are not using AI properly, or maybe have not spent enough time to explore its full capabilities and discover what AI can do for you. OpenAI announced yesterday that the advanced voice capabilities of ChatGPT is now available on macOS on Windows desktop users for Plus, Teams, and Enterprise users, which I think will be a productivity booster. So I came up with this idea to record this video, okay? And I personally, I do find useful to use the voice feature on your desktop. And let me tell you why. Because you can have voice conversation with the model for specific scenarios. You don't need to spend the whole time reading the test, typing in your prompts for some scenarios, and you will decide which ones, right? For example, today I'm going to show you one case that you can upload a presentation, ask for opinion, or an advice. Think about that you are having a meeting and you need advice. So you can talk with the model. You upload the presentation and then you can ask for some advice. So that is something I will talk about, and that is about my use case that I want to share with you. All right. So the first thing that I'm going to do, okay, I will start the conversation with ChatGPT. Okay, let me. Okay, so you see here on my screen, the ChatGPT is already open, right? Now I will start the voice conversation with it, and you will see that I will be reading my prompts, but I will be getting the voice response from it. Okay, so let me get started. Hi, ChatGPT.
Hey, how's it going? What's up?
Oh, it's going pretty cool. Hey, we are recording a video, and our goal is to create a use case to show our audience your voice capabilities using the desktop version. We are giving some great ideas how people can maximize AI assistance with full peer-to-peer conversation. But first, I want you to put in I want to put you into context about our use case, okay?
Absolutely, I'm all ears. Fill me in on the details of your use case and let's make this video awesome.
Already. Great. So I'm a project manager leading a transformation project in my organization, and I will be presenting a playbook document named Talking to Machines, a playbook for leaders. My goal is to get their buy-in and support to socialize this document to increment the AI adoption in my organization. Now, as an expert, okay,
Got it. You're spearheading a transformation project and need to present a playbook to your organization's leaders to encourage AI adoption. You want my voice capabilities to help you showcase how AI can be seamlessly integrated into daily operations, right? Let's make this playbook presentation stand out.
yeah, yeah, that's correct. But there is one more thing that I want you to take into account. All right. Now, as an expert in storytelling and effective communicator, you will help me achieve my goal. I will attach the presentation for you to analyze. Then you will tell me when you're ready. Okay.
Perfect. I'm ready when you are. Go ahead and attach the presentation and we'll dive right in.
Okay. Cool. So I will attach the
Just
presentation. Give me a moment. Okay.
take your time. Let me know when it's ready.
Okay, so what I will do here is I stop the conversation for a second and I will upload my presentation to the ChatGPT so I can follow up the conversation with uh, with the agent. Okay, please try and watch. All right, so I am uploading the presentation, and now I get back the response on text. But what I will do is I will hit the voice button so that I can follow up the conversation using voice. Okay, so I click here on the voice icon. Okay, ChatGPT, are you there?
Yes, I'm right here. How can I help?
Awesome. Okay, I attached the presentation, and by now you should have already analyzed it, and you should be ready for
Got
my
it, and
next
I've already
questions.
reviewed your playbook. It's packed with useful strategies for AI integration in leadership, with a focus on augmenting decision making and enhancing productivity. Let me know if you'd like help refining any specific parts or if you want suggestions for presenting it to your team.
Yeah, please create storytelling, an effective way to communicate to leaders the benefits of this playbook and the call to action.
Imagine you're standing in front of your leadership team. Start with a question that resonates with them. How much time could you save if you had a strategic partner who was available anytime with insights tailored to your exact needs? Set the stage by positioning the playbook as that partner, ready to help each leader focus on strategy, innovation, and impactful decisions rather than getting bogged down in repetitive tasks. Storytelling arc 1: the visionary leader's problem. Paint a relatable picture. As leaders, we often face a mountain of routine tasks that pull us away from strategic work. Imagine a leader who wants to drive change but spends hours managing day-to-day operations, leaving little room for big picture thinking. 2. The solution: augmented intelligence, not artificial. Describe AI as more than just a tool. Position it as an extension of their own cognitive abilities. Say, this playbook isn't about replacing your judgment or decisions. It's about using AI to free up time, enhance creativity, and scale your ideas faster. Think of it as a partner that handles up to 80% of groundwork, allowing you to refine the remaining 20% for maximum impact. 3. Practical application. Take them through specific real-life scenarios. Imagine needing to present a sales pitch by tomorrow morning with only a couple of hours to prepare after a client dinner. And with the playbook, AI can provide a framework, leaving you to add the final personal touch. Or think about refining a tough HR conversation. AI can help structure it, offering a thought partner role in ways you hadn't considered. 4. Transformative impact. Share the bigger impact. Leaders who use AI don't just gain efficiency, they gain time for strategic insights, leading to better, faster decisions. It also empowers teams, fostering a culture of innovation where everyone can think outside the box. 5. Call to action. Wrap up with an invitation. This playbook isn't a guide to replace you, it's a guide to enhance your strengths. Start by selecting 1 or 2 use cases that resonate with your daily challenges. Experiment with AI, and let's discuss the outcomes in our next strategy session. Together, let's unlock the full potential of our roles by embracing AI as our thought partner. Would you like to add any specific details or focus more on certain benefits? This approach provides a structured, relatable way to present the playbook as a game changer, encouraging buy-in without overwhelming them.
Awesome. That sounds pretty reasonable and very compelling to tell the story. So that is very helpful to me. Now, some people might be skeptic, right? So I would like to be prepared to address that. So now I need your help to help me generate 3 hard questions that people may ask during that meeting and give me some suggestions how to address each of them.
Absolutely, preparing for skepticism is a smart move. Here are 3 challenging questions that might come up, along with effective ways to respond. Question 1, isn't relying on AI risky? What if it makes errors or hallucinates information? Suggested response, acknowledge their concern with understanding. You're right, AI isn't perfect. It's a tool that provides a starting point, not the final answer. The playbook emphasizes using AI as a thought partner, not as a replacement for human oversight. For instance, we recommend validating outputs by asking AI to provide supporting facts. Leaders maintain control and can refine or adjust as needed. Think of AI as doing the heavy lifting, with us refining and verifying the final steps. Reinforce the benefit. By following the guidelines in the playbook, you're not just using AI outputs blindly, you're actively collaborating with it. This approach minimizes risk and keeps critical thinking at the forefront. Question 2, how is this any different from just delegating tasks to the team? Suggested response, show how AI augments rather than replaces human effort. Delegation is valuable, but AI offers unique advantages. Unlike a team member, AI can provide instant responses, work across departments simultaneously, and analyze vast amounts of data quickly. It allows us to be more agile and free up team capacity for tasks that truly need human insights. Point to the scalability. Imagine a team's capacity doubled without adding headcount. AI handles repetitive tasks, leaving our teams to tackle more complex, high-value projects. It's not about replacing delegation, it's about enhancing it, making it easier to keep everyone focused on work that drives the most value. Question 3, aren't we just jumping on the AI bandwagon? What's the real business value here? Suggested response, address this by pointing to specific business outcomes. Great question. Adopting AI isn't about chasing trends. It's about staying competitive and making smarter decisions faster. The playbook is built around practical, measurable benefits, like reducing repetitive workload, improving decision speed, and uncovering insights that might otherwise go unnoticed. Bring it back to measurable impact. This isn't just about hype, it's about concrete results. Saving time, improving accuracy, and scaling ideas that could benefit the entire organization. AI doesn't replace our judgment, it strengthens it, allowing us to lead more strategically and impactfully. These responses should help reassure skeptics that AI is a practical, controlled, and value-driven addition to their toolkit, not a leap into the unknown. Does this cover the bases you were thinking about?
Awesome. Those are great. I think that that also brings me some more ideas. But we don't have so much time. I will also wish we could have addressed psychological aspects type questions, but we don't have too much time now. So I would like to conclude with this conversation with you by asking you to tell me something that is very important that I should know and be prepared before my meeting.
One essential thing to keep in mind before your meeting is how to address the emotional and psychological shift that AI adoption often requires from leaders and teams. People may feel uncertain or even threatened by the idea of integrating AI, fearing it could replace their roles or fundamentally change how they work. Here's what to be prepared for. 1, reassurance on role relevance. Emphasize that AI is there to augment their work, not replace it. Reiterate that AI is a tool designed to handle repetitive tasks, freeing up time for leaders and their teams to focus on strategic, high-impact work. It's about empowering people, not reducing their value. 2, fostering an open experimental mindset. Encourage leaders to approach AI with curiosity rather than apprehension. Framing it as an opportunity to experiment or innovate reduces pressure and creates a safe space for trying AI tools without the expectation of perfection. 3, prepare for gradual implementation. Assure them that adopting AI doesn't mean overhauling everything at once. They can start small, applying AI to a few specific tasks and gradually expanding as comfort and familiarity grow. 4, promote a growth mindset and team involvement. Let them know that AI adoption will be a team journey. By involving teams and experimenting with AI, leaders can help ease concerns, build trust in the tools, and foster a collaborative environment where everyone contributes to how AI shapes their work. These points will help your audience not just see the technical and strategic benefits, but also feel assured that they'll remain central to this transformation. Taking the time to address these psychological aspects, even briefly, can make a huge difference in gaining buy-in and enthusiasm. Good luck and go in with confidence. You're well prepared.
Awesome. I think this interaction give a sense to our audience how they can interact with a ChatGPT using voice capabilities on their desktop or on their mobile phone, depending on the situation. Now, I would like you to tell me in short, very concrete, concise, why people should use voice capabilities on the with ChatGPT and why people, in what scenarios people should not use voice capabilities.
People should use ChatGPT's voice capabilities when they want quick, hands-free assistance, like brainstorming ideas on the go, clarifying complex topics, or having a natural conversational experience that feels more interactive and engaging. It's ideal for busy leaders multitasking or for situations where speaking is faster than typing. However, voice isn't ideal for highly detailed work like reviewing technical documents, handling sensitive or private information in a public space, or for people who prefer visual summaries. It's also less effective when a precise written record is needed for reference. Voice is best when you want speed, convenience, and conversational flow, less so for accuracy and documentation.
Awesome. I think that's pretty interesting, and that hopefully that will also resonate to people's what they have in mind for how they will use it. And I want to thank you for this help, and we will collaborate together more upfront. Okay.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help, and it sounds like you're set for a great presentation. I look forward to more collaborations. Good luck, and I'm here whenever you need me.
Thank you. Already. So as you see, you can really take advantage of these capabilities, and this is one way you can do it. And I hope this use case will give you a sense, an idea how you can leverage these capabilities. And at the end, you are the one to decide. So you really have to think about what works for you and what will help you to be more productive, and why not have a better quality life and be happier. Thank you very much.